Tyke. Tyke. No. Leave her alone. Yeah. Good girl. Tyke. Tyke. Stay away. Good girl, Paige. Uh-oh. Did you drop one? Tyke. See, I'm a big girl. Eating from my cup, and she drops one, Tyke gets it. Paisley, say I'm 9 months old, 9 months, 1 week, and 5 days. I just went to the doctor on Friday for a 9-month appointment. Say I weigh 15 pounds. I do. Oh. And say I learned to walk yesterday. Yes, I did. She learned to walk. She walked all the way from the TV stand all the way over to her packing place. So that was a pretty good distance, wasn't it, Paisley? Yeah. Hi. Yeah, hi. Paisley, say. Show us how you smack your lips. Oh, that's a sweet girl. Paisley, say hi. Paisley. Paige, you watching Baby Einstein? Say hi. Hi. No. Say hi. Paisley, say. Smack your lips. Say no, I already did that, Mom. Is Tyke begging? He's just waiting, isn't he? Big girl. Okay, say bye-bye. 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 Do you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.